Ocean is still an unexplored place, with over 5% part of it being explored, which means that there would be many terrifying creatures roaming in ocean's depth. Among those terrifying creatures, have you heard about the famous bloop sound? In 1977, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration recorded a strange noise which came from the deep side of the ocean. It was an ultra-low frequency, high-amplitude underwater sound. According to estimations, it was stated that this sound came from a 26-feet-long animal, which means it was bigger than modern-day's blue whale, with over estimated 25 feet. But the real question is this sound real? And what is the reality behind this voice? It was not a fake sound, but it was not a creature's voice. The noises came from non-tectonic cryoseisms, originating from glacial movements such as ice calving, or through seabed gouging by ice. In short, it was not a creature's voice, but it was a sound created by falling iceberg. But it doesn't mean that there is nothing in ocean. As 95% of ocean is still unexplored, we can't even imagine how much secret ocean would be hiding. And yeah, the sound showed in this video was also the true voice. Because sounds in other videos are mostly fake and changed, which will just raise your doubts. Just because sound looks like a creature's voice in other videos, voice will look like a creature's whistle instead of falling iceberg. If you enjoyed the video or find it informative, please make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already for more videos like this. I will meet you guys in my next video.